Welcome back to BikeZone channel, motorcycle enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750. This legendary sport bike has always set the bar high in performance, style and technology. Let's explore what makes the latest model stand out. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 GSX-R750 retains the aggressive styling that fans love, but with some fresh updates. The sharp lines and aerodynamic profile are enhanced by new LED lighting, giving it a modern edge. Available in striking color schemes, including classic Suzuki blue and bold matte black, this bike is designed to turn heads on the track and the street. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the GSX-R750 is a refined 750cc inline-4 engine, delivering exhilarating power and torque. This model features advanced engine management and an updated exhaust system, resulting in improved performance and efficiency. With a reported output of 148 horsepower, it provides thrilling acceleration and responsiveness, making it perfect for both track days and spirited rides. Main technology features. Suzuki continues to integrate cutting-edge technology into the GSX-R750. The 2025 model boasts a new TFT display that provides clear visibility of vital information, including speed, gear position, and riding modes. Speaking of riding modes, the GSX-R750 comes equipped with multiple settings that allow riders to tailor their experience to their skill level and riding conditions. Additionally, the new traction control system enhances safety without compromising performance. Chassis and suspension. The chassis of the 2025 GSX-R750 is engineered for agility and stability. With a lightweight aluminum frame and optimized suspension components, this bike delivers excellent handling characteristics. The fully adjustable front forks and rear monoshock provide riders with the ability to customize their setup for different riding styles, whether on the racetrack or the open road. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-R750 continues the legacy of its predecessors while incorporating modern advancements that elevate the riding experience. With its stunning design, powerful performance, and innovative technology, this bike is a must-consider for anyone in the market for a sport bike. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer, the GSX-R750 promises to deliver an unforgettable experience. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest motorcycles. See you on the road. Thanks for joining BikeZone.